Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Already in the previous session we discussed about the double integration over a given region. So in this session I will give another practice problem on double integration over a given region. So see this problem. Evaluate double integral xy dy dx over R. We have to find out the integration of xy, integration of the function xy with respect to y with respect to x, where R is the region bounded by x-axis ordinate means a straight line, x is equal to a and the parabola x square is equal to 4ay. Okay, so first write the given equations of the curves. Given equations of the curves are x square is equal to 4ay, which is a upward parabola. Next, x is equal to a straight line. X is equal to a is a straight line which is parallel to y-axis and x-axis. That is, the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So, please draw the figure. Everybody knows that this is x-axis and this is y-axis. First draw the upward parabola, which is x square is equal to 4ay. This is the upward parabola and x is equal to 2a line. X is equal to a is a straight line which is parallel to y-axis at a distance 2a. Assume that this distance is 2a and draw a straight line here. This is x is equal to 2a line. Okay, so our region is bounded by this parabola x square is equal to 4ay and this straight line x is equal to a and x-axis whose equation is y is equal to 0. So please shade the region bounded by these curves. This is our given region. In this region we are going to find out the integration of the function. Okay. So before finding the integration we should find out the limits. Nothing but we should find out the intersecting points of the region. Okay, everybody knows that this is the origin and this is a point on x-axis at the distance 2a comma 0. That's why 2a comma 0. So it is enough to find out the intersecting point of the straight line x is equal to a and the parabola. That's why I substitute x is equal to a, which is equation number 2 in parabola. So you will get 2a whole square, which is 4a square is equal to 4ay. We are observing that 4 getting cancelled, 1a getting cancelled. That's why y value is a. So what happened? If x is equal to 2a, then y is equal to a. Hence we conclude that intersecting points of 1 and 2 is 2a comma a. Okay, clearly the parabola x square is equal to 4ay and the straight line x is equal to a. Both are intersects at 2a comma a and at origin. So clearly 1 and 2 intersects 1 and 2 intersects at 2a comma a. At 2a comma a. So we got the intersecting points of our region. Now I am ready to write the limits of the integration. Consider the given double integral. What is the given double integral? So double integral xy dy dx over r is equal to, okay, first fix the x limits as constant. What are the x limits here? Here we have three vertices for the region 0 0, 2a comma 0, 2a comma a. So in these three vertices, observe the coordinates of x. Minimum value of x coordinate is 0 and the maximum value of x coordinate is 2a. That's why x varies from 0 to 2a. Now we are going to find out the limits of y in terms of x. For limits of y in terms of x, you should draw a vertical strip in this region. Okay, already I told in the previous problem, whenever we have to find out limits of y in terms of x, you should take a vertical strip in the region. So this vertical strip gives the lower limit of y and the upper limit of y. So this is the lower part, which is y is equal to 0, and upper part is the arc of the parabola. Upper part is the arc of the parabola. So what is y value here? X square by 4a. Okay, in the equation of x square is equal to 4ay, you should find out the y value in terms of x. That's why y becomes x square by 4a by taking this 4a to left hand side denominator. So that's why upper limit is x square by 4a. So what is the given function? Xy into dy dx. So we got the limits from the region. So it is enough to complete the simplification of integration. That's enough. Okay. First take the integration of xy with respect to y. So x is equal to 0 to 2a. In this case x is constant. Integration of y is y square by 2. Y square by 2 within the limits 0 to x square by 4a into dx. So 1 by 2 is the constant term. Take outside from the integration. So 1 by 2 into integral x is equal to 0 to 2a x into, apply the upper limit. Whenever we have y, replace it by x square by 4a, you will get x power 4 by 4a whole square, which is 16a square into dx. Into dx. Now see this side. So again here 16a square is the constant. Take outside from the integral. Already in the outside we have 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 16. 1 by 32a square integral. X varies from 0 to 2a. X varies from 0 to 2a. X into x power 4. X power 5 into dx. So 1 by 32 a square into, what is the integration of x power 5? X power 6 by 6. Within the limits x is equal to 0 to 2a. So that is equal to 1 by 32 a square into, apply the upper limit. You will get 2 power 6, a power 6 by 6. By applying lower limit you will get 0. So 1 by 32 a square into 2 power 6 is nothing but 64 a power 6 by 6. So 32, 2 times getting the cancel and 2 gets 3 times. So the a square, here we have a square and here we have a power 6. So a power 4 times getting cancelled in the numerator. So remaining part is a power 4 by 3. This is the given double integral xy dy dx over the region is equal to a power 4 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. So whenever limits are not provided, instead of limits of the integrations a region is provided, then you should draw the figure of the region. From the region we should find out the limits. X limits should be constants and y limits must be in terms of x. For y limits always you take a vertical strip in the region. Vertical strip gives the limits of y in terms of x. Don't forget it, which is very important. Okay, thank you very much. See you to next session.